Hello, my friends and gems. Well, I am back from an incredible weekend that I got to spend with my daughter, who took me away to celebrate my birthday early. We went to the Yucca Valley to Integratron in Landers, California, and it was an amazing event. I'll be posting more pictures and videos about it because it was a great weekend. So I wanted to share with you a little health tip that I think you might really enjoy doing because it's easy peasy and it's free. You can do it from the comfort of your own home. So some of you are curious. It's like, well, I don't really want to go to the doctor and, pay for a candida test, but how do I do that from home? Well, I got to tell you, it's so easy. All you have to do is get a glass, fill it up with water first thing in the morning. Then you're going to take your spit accumulated in your mouth, and you're going to spit it into the water. And then you're going to give it a few minutes and you're just going to watch, hold up the glass, and you're going to see if there are strings that are starting to swirl and come down from the spit. If you start to see this milky string matter that's starting to come down to the bottom of the cup, then I'm afraid that you have candida. So the bad news is you have candida. The good news is it didn't cost you anything. It's an easy test. Just use glass. Glass cup, put fresh water from the tap, and spit into it. Now, what do? There's two things that you can do. The first one is easy peasy. You're going to grab some filtered clean water, and you're going to, room temperature, you're going to pour it into 10 ounces roughly into a glass cup, and then you're going to take half. You are going to take half a teaspoon of organic baking soda, and you're going to stir it into that glass. And you're going to continue to stir until you notice that it's completely dissolved and it's clear. It's no longer white and milky. As soon as it's clear, that means that the organic baking soda has in fact completely dissolved into that water, making that water a very powerful alkaline water. You're going to drink that. The sodium bicarbonate is acting as an electrolyte, which moves the energy faster in your body, and the bicarbonate, that carbon, is going to bind to the candida. It's going to bind to any toxins that you have inside of your body so that you're going to pee and poop it out in the next 30, 45 minutes, 60 minutes, and you're going to clear it out of your system. As you continue to do that day by day, then you're going to start to have an improvement where it's going to start to remove some of that candida. Now, the second and most importantly, probably the most important part of what I'm going to tell you in order to solve and to get rid of the symptom of candida, it's called Candida albicans, by the way, is you're going to want to get started on activating your original master cells from before you were even born. Now, how do you do that? Well, that's where you're going to have to contact me to get the little device that I've been using since 2022. It helped me unring the bell of a traumatic brain injury, all sorts of neurological disorders and complications from that horrific bus accident where I got hit by a bus just 3 blocks shy of finishing a 16-mile bike ride. So if you want to learn more, all you have to do is comment below. Put a little comment below. I'll send you a little information. Just put in the comments, just type in info, INFO. I'll send you a unique URL. You can watch a 2-minute video, answer a few questions. It'll tailor the video actually to you, and then we can have a conversation. We can tailor things specifically to what you need. I hope that resonates with you. All right, my friends and gems, I hope you have a great one. Make it a great day. Have a good one. Ciao for now.